In this video, I'll detail how to change WhatsApp background on Android. So it doesn't matter the type of Android you're using. And here you are not going to use a third-party application or use any third-party website to block your WhatsApp background. There is a new feature on WhatsApp that allows you to block your WhatsApp background on all devices. So if I don't know this video, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to block your WhatsApp background on Android, iPhone, Samsung, Vivo, Redmi, Realme, for as long as you can install the latest WhatsApp application, then here are the steps you need to take. So if I don't know this, if you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, open the Play Store application like this. Then on the Play Store page, click on the search button and search for WhatsApp. Then tap WhatsApp. Here you want to update your WhatsApp to the latest variant if you have any update available. And after that, click on open. Then this is going to open the WhatsApp application on your Android phone, your Redmi phone, your Realme phone, your Oppo phone. Just name the device. For as long as you are using WhatsApp on any phone, then click on the contact where you want to initiate video call. After that, click on the video call icon like this. Then you should see your WhatsApp video call pops. Then click on this new AI button. Once you click on that, then click on background at the bottom right. Then here, click on this. You see? That's going to change your WhatsApp video background. So this is now my WhatsApp video background. You see this? So this is my WhatsApp background. Hey, this is a new WhatsApp feature that allows you to change your background on WhatsApp. See that? So I can just change this from whatever it is, from one background to the other. Then you can just come here. Once you've selected the background you want to set, like this. Then click on this again. So you can change between varieties of background on your WhatsApp app. Then come up here and click on this icon to turn off touch mode on the WhatsApp. Click on this to turn off light mode on the background. Then you can just come back to filter as well, use filter. Then switch between filters on the WhatsApp application. But preferably, I always prefer to use the background. Then on filter, remove background. On filter, then remove filter. Then the background, click on background. And then select the background you want to use. See that? So this is how you can easily change WhatsApp background on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.